Okay, it is 3:33 p.m. We are looking at Caesar Entertainment, CZR, and they will be reporting earnings after hours, I believe. Yes, earnings after hours. So let's take a look at the unusual options. And here we are at 11:11 a.m. We are a 57 calls, buying the 57 calls, 2,000 of them, and then selling the 53 calls, also 2,000 of them, February 24. So that's very unusual, right? So there it is. And let's take a look at that trade. So February 24, just 3 days out. Currently, Caesar's at 51, and we are going to do that trade and see what we have here. Um, Again, 57, 53, right? Okay. So you buy the 57s and you sell the 53s. So this is the trade. Let's analyze that together and see what we have here. So this is the trade. It is selling a call at 57 strike price. And you see the max loss is 326, and 74 is the max profit. And they're selling the calls because they don't think it's going to break 57. And to do a trade like this, so if you take 326, the max loss, 326 times the 2,000 contracts, that was $650,000 they needed to put on this writing the call spread here. So they're just selling the calls because volatility will be decreasing after the earnings. So they don't think it's going to break 57, which is about right here, which is probably a good call because you could see here it had resistance here in its recent high on February 2 and February 9. It never was able to break 57 here. So they're selling that call to have a pretty good chance of profit here because it is selling the volatility here, and volatility is always higher right before earnings. So they're putting on a very smart trade here because this is a trade made by smart money, the smart institutions, hedge funds. So the this is the trade. 57 is the top. It's going to not break that, but it will go down or it'll go up a little, but you know, it won't break 57. As long as it doesn't break 57, this is a profitable trade, right? So they'll break even, and they won't be losing much. So the break even actually here is, you can actually see it, it's 53.7 here, right here, 57.3. So let's see, 57.3 is right here. So this is where they don't think it's going to rally above 53.7 here. All right. So they're selling the call here and getting that, buying that 53 strike here. So that is the unusual options on Caesar.